Holy shit, cut. What does it say? 6 kids? Oh, we're just TV and nose replacements.
This is your last chance. The TVO text went to Pink Nick with someone, and if you don't show the footage, I'm just gonna rage again.
No, Pinky, the TVO text didn't do anything. The TVO text went to McDonald's right now. And also, where's the footage?
Did you check in the floor?
Well, I don't have a footage, so sorry. Pinky, are you? Guys, I don't mean to say this, but the TV is about to destroy the whole universe.